What's up there, YouTube? Yep, another video, another day, another dollar. So today we've got to get the car ready for its MOT tomorrow. So this is going to be like a all-in-one video, but that camera's just going to really do my head in. So it is wobbling. I do apologise. I need to get another thing. So I need to wash the car, and I need to take off the sun strip just in case. I need to take off the strips off the headlights because my dad said it might fail for that because of it's blocking the running lights. But first, before we get on to any of that, I need to go to the post office to go and pick up my package, because if I'm quiet enough you can hear and it's not the best. That is the left side wheel hub on the back side, and basically I've ordered one of them off Auto Dock. I'll show you a little clip of what it is, but yeah, bought one of them. So off to the post office, back home. I'll show you the wheel hub, what I bought, and off. Then we're cleaning and making sure. I'm going to do the engine bay, the inside, the outside, do everything so it's nice and fresh. So yeah guys, I'll catch you in a second. So we've got the part that we need. Turn that down before I get copyright strikes. So we've got it. Go back home, I'll show you what part I've just purchased, because really needed to, because it really does my head in. It just goes boom, 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 boom. You know what I mean? It just really does my head in. So head back home now and open this up, let you guys have a look. Then that will be fitted later on, but gotta get this car sorted, ready for its MOT. So we're back home, and yeah, I need a knife tonight. So this cost me, I'm not going to show you all my bank details or anything like that. This cost me around about, well, it cost me 30 quid including, well, 40 quid including shipping and posting and all that malarkey. Let me just go get a knife. So it's a box inside a box. So, oh, here it is. So, like I said, this cost me 40 quid. It's shipped from Germany, from this Auto Dock. I'll put a link in the description to where you can find these from. And this is what will stop everything going boom, 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 boom. So you've got the bearing on the inside there, it's all nice and lubed up. That will go on to the wheel hub, and yeah, you've got the magnetic part and stuff. And then you've got the hub cap and the new nut to go on there as well. So they'll give you everything in this little package, which I think is absolutely excellent. And it's all greased up as well, which is ready to go. Oh, it's got some weight to it though, I'll tell you that much now. Yeah, can't wait to get that on. That's going to be... Just can't wait for it to start going. So yeah, that is that. So now it's time to go clean the car. Yay. And it's cold. And we've got to get dressed and put some different shoes on because it's muddy. This is going to be terrible. But we've got to do it. We've got to do what we've got to do, haven't we? So there, let's crack on. To start off, we do take off the black tape or black vinyl off the headlights, just so we can have them daytime running lights looking a little bit more visible for the MOT. Then we go on to taking off the air vents because of the sharp edges, and that would fail the MOT as well. Then we're going to take off the sun strip, because if your windscreen wipers do go over that, some MOT places will fail you for it, and as you can see, it was all started to rip and it was all bubbly, and I do have a new one to put on just so it looks a little bit better. So with this, it's just nice and easy just to rip off and just get off with your fingers. Left a bit there, look. And there we go, got it all off. And we're going to take off the racing stripes as well, just because I didn't like them anyway. So while I was doing all this, I might as well just take them off. Here's me doing it now, both of them. Did take a bit of a while because it does break. There you see, it just broke on me. And it took me a while to get it back. I didn't want to scratch paint, so I didn't get anything too abrasive to scratch the paint, even though the paintwork is shoddy anyway. You need to get that sorted as soon as possible. Just finishing off, taking off racing stripes. And now it's time to get the wash on the go. So here's me just filling up a bucket of water. So I've just got a mitt, because I haven't got a jet wash and there isn't a tap on the outside, so I can't actually do a jet wash properly. I'm just going to do a fuller quick clean, contact clean with this mitt, as you can see now. Making sure that every little bit is covered. Onto the front. And as you can see, you can still see the black marks where the air vents was. I've got to try and get a heat gun on there that might help me get the rest of that off. Once again, I don't want to try and ruin the paint, even though the paint is scratched in some places. I do want to try and keep as much as I can. As you probably can tell, it is very cold on this day. 2 degrees. Simple British weather. Gotta love it. how I like to do the wheels, I've got this little brush, give it a really good scrub down in between all the cracks, and just get it all nice and soapy, and also do the tyre wall as well, just making sure you're getting all the cracks. I'm only going to show the one tyre because it's going to be the same on every single one. Once again, these rims aren't the best. They do need a bit of TLC, and now it's time just to rinse off the car. Do you remember a few months ago we went out and did some shopping and we got some accessories? I'm going to use one of them now, the RAC drying towel, to see how it works. So yeah, what I'm going to do, turn me around. So apparently you can just put this on like so, pat it down, and then see how this works. Ooh, not too bad, not too not gonna mess about. I'm just gonna get it done, and yeah, catch up in a sec. So that is the car cleaned. All it needs now is a bit of a polish, which I'm gonna leave for about 10 minutes because I want to try and get that black stuff off that come off with the stuck on air vents. I wish I hadn't done that, I really do, but I'm going to use some T-cut, and apparently that's meant to get it off, so I'm going to go do that. I'll show you the after, because I've showed you before. I don't want to bore you with that stuff, so we're going to just do it and get it out the road. So in a second.
Next morning.
So it's MOT day for the 307. There's one more thing I need to do on it before I take it, and that's to take the wheel nut covers off so they can check if the wheel nuts are tight. That was an advisory. I don't understand why they just can't take them off. They can't take the wheels off, I get that, but they can take them off. It's quite easy to do. But everything else I've done. So I've took everything off my windshield, so there's no dash cam on there now. There's I did have my phone holder on there, that's gone off. I was advised to do the seat belts up, so I've done that. In the back and in the front, so it shows that they're working. But the 4 advisories that we had on it before was the number plate, which we got changed as soon as we got the car. What else was there? Front driver's side wheel was close to legal limit, which we changed. It's done, sorted. There was the left side indicator, was a bit discoloured. We changed that. That's done. What else was it? And couldn't check the wheel nuts, which I just don't get. I really don't get. But all that has been sorted for this MLT. Hopefully this time round, I reckon that we might, I might get an advisory because of the black box that's stuck up in the left-hand corner, even though it's out of view of anything, because it's stuck on the windshield, which my insurance tell me to do. I might get an advisory for that. If I do, I'm going to be pretty pissed off, but nothing that we can do about that. So yeah, so I'm going to go take the wheel nuts off them, and it's off to the test centre. It's got to be there for 10, and it is now 8:30, and it's only about 20 minutes away, so I'll leave here about 9:15 to make sure I get there early. I'm just going to go do these wheel nuts covers. So as you've just seen, I've just took the wheel nuts off, got the seat belts down there, and this one done as well. Everything's off the windscreen except for that. I reckon this will be probably the only thing, well, only thing on the inside that I will get a advisory on, because it's on the windshield, and nothing should be on the windshield except for the mirror. So yeah, sorry about that. Bit of metal first thing in the morning. So I need to go get some money out, then we're going to the test centre, have a ride over. Alright, let's get to the test centre. At RMP now, it's going to be a little bit quiet. Just waiting to go in. Yeah.
1 hour later.
We're back on. So it kind of failed at first because the headlamps was too dipped. Fix that straight away. But it's actually passed. Thank fuck for that. You beautiful girl. Paige has got through another year of MOT. Hopefully we can carry on, and I can buy the new spoiler, I can buy the intake. Somebody is interested in the gym out there, so a new exhaust could be on the way. Some other stuff might be on the way. Oh, we just have to wait and see, won't we? Just have to wait and see. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I know this has been probably one of the most boringest videos in the world, me washing a car and stuff. But Paige, the Peugeot 307, this beautiful, beautiful girl out here has passed her MOT. I need to get the wiring sorted underneath the seat for the airbag. Anybody knows how to sort out that, or any mechanics out there who can sort me out, or let's get the camera angle right, Dan. Come on. Hopefully we can get that sorted for next year. So this year we've got hopefully the wrap coming. I want it red and black. Mrs. wants it purple. Or Nardo grey. Do you reckon the 307 will look good? Nardo grey. Answers on the postcard, but I'm thinking red and black. I've already got the black vinyl, so it's going to be black. Black on the, well, roof black, the rest of the body red, matte red, matte black, matte red. Keep with the theme, innit? Other than that, guys, thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button hard, and don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to put the notifications on, because it helps me out, it helps you out. And that's about it then, guys. Thank you very much for joining me in today's video, and I'll catch you on the next modification. Ta-ra a bit.